not my bald-headed nails. Adri back with another video, y'all. Sorry if I'm whispering-ish. It is 12:04 and a.m. That is not p.m. It is 12:04 a.m. and I need to try on this stuff. Okay, it's been sitting in my house, one thing for a week, and the other thing just got here today. But I kind of just want to try on everything so I can just get it out of the way. This is going to be my potential birthday outfits, y'all. Your girl is about to turn 30. I'm sorry if y'all see me pat my face. I just look super oily, super duper oily. But today is not Shein, but it is Fashion Nova. I've gotten a few things from Fashion Nova, but I was never in love with them all the time, so we'll see what today is giving. I just wanted to be super cute for my 30th birthday. I'm actually going to be going to Houston, Texas. Hoping I run into my girl Meg the Style. Even though it's probably not possible, but if it happens, it happens. And then I could twerk with her one time. We're going to try this stuff on. And I'm going to try to make this quick. Let me just get what I'm wearing right now. Hold on. So this is what I have on right now. Let me see if I can back this up. Okay, I got this skirt from Shein with some fishnet stockings and this overcomer shirt. Like I said, my nails are busted, so just ignore it. I'm actually just taking these off. We're gonna get straight into this video because your girl, I don't know, like I was happy with alternatives, so I'm gonna tell you my original plan and you know, whatever. So let's start with the jeans, right? No. I'm gonna start with the feather tops. Two of them specifically. This is orange. I gotta keep these together, y'all. I'm sad about these because I wanted this to be my birthday outfit. The day of my birthday in Houston, Texas. I just imagine myself at the club just shaking my little tail feathers, right? Might not be a possibility. And then this one, I was going to wear it to a brunch. Sunday fun day, if you will. So here's if you decide to get this, because you may not be as plus size as me, right? So you may be able to fit this extra large. And I really can't say if it runs small or big or not. I don't know. Because my weight fluctuates. Like, I'm extra large in some stores. I'm a large in some stores. So it just really depends. So I loved that this had a built-in bra. Loved that. Loved that. I don't think this came in an XXL. I cannot remember. But all the links will be down below. I'm sad about this. So here's what I was going to do, because I ordered a second shipment of Fashion Nova, specifically because they had some feathers in my size, because I wanted a particular look for my 30th, right? So I don't know, these might be a return. Before I made my other purchase on Fashion Nova, I was just going to get these tailored. So I was going to find a seamstress to maybe add fabric like over here, because my arms will be covering it anyway, or like to the back, but then it would probably have to be black or something. And I didn't want that look, so I don't know y'all. If I get this video posted in time and I'm still within my 30-day return and I hadn't returned them yet, tell me what you think I should do in the comments below. Like, what would you do if you really wanted these shirts? There's a fix to it, which is going to a seamstress and getting it tailored to you. Maybe adding some fabric to it. Like, would y'all spend the extra money? And I'm sorry, the feathered tops were called Asalia Feathered Top. I got in hot pink and the orange. They do come in different colors. Like, I really wanted the blue. They're just really pretty. So maybe when I do lose this weight, right, I can come back to it, and maybe that's what I do. Just return it, out of sight, out of mind, until I can actually fit it. And maybe by the time I can actually fit it, it probably won't even be in style or something that I need to be wearing. But let's go on to the jeans that I was wearing with the orange feathered top. So these are the Flex Game Strong Super High Rise Skinny Jeans in the light wash size 16. Now, I have a pair of Fashion Nova pants that are 2X, and I was trying to think of Shein, because you know how with Shein, a 3X is an 18, a 2X is a 16. So I'm like, okay, but the pants that I have that I got last summer are big. Like, they fit because they're stretchy, but they're big. So I don't know, I was just like, let's get 16 anyway, because it might be a little different. So I'm glad I did, because had I gotten the 18 plus, like, they would have fit, but they would have been like droopy, and I didn't want it droopy and saggy in any areas. So these were good. I'm gonna keep these. The flare pants, Deep in My Soul flare jeans, medium blue wash. I got these in a 16 plus as well. These are giving. These are giving. I like what these are giving. Are they an everyday pair of jeans for me? No. Are they a summer jean with the heel, sandal, or a I'm out of town and we're going out type of jean? Yes. Absolutely. Those, especially with the top. And girl, or whoever's watching. So this purple top that is doing something right now, tangling, twisting, whatever, child, I'm keeping this one. This is the certified heartbreaker long sleeve top. Honey, this little shirt, or whatever you want to call it, was giving all it needed to give. I will probably tape my boobs with this, because I don't need, like I said in my other video before with my summer haul, I don't need nothing slipping out of anything. So boob tape with this. This is a keeper. That screams Houston. That actually screams Meg the Stallion. So, you know. Okay. Now, moving on to sets. So, because I got the feathered tops first, the first order, I said these aren't gonna fit. I said they're not gonna fit, and I need a backup because this is what I want to do. In my mind, I'm just like, okay, I already spent an amount on this top. Why am I putting more money into this top? Even though it's fire, right? Why am I putting more money into this top? So I said, I have to think of an alternative. So I seen this when I had got my 10% off coupon that they always have, because why not take some extra tax off, right? So as you can see, the skirt needs some time to fit on me. So this set is a 1X. The shirt fit nice and tight. I feel secure. I don't feel like nothing is gonna slip. This has the grip on the inside, so does the other feather tops, but the difference with this one is it doesn't have a bra in the inside, which is very disappointing, but it's okay. And y'all can see in the video how I did not have it centered in my back, but once we get to Houston, like, my people's got me. They ain't gonna let me walk out looking crazy. So I have a feathered top. It was cheaper and it came as a set. So eventually one day I'm gonna fit this skirt. And as y'all, I don't know if I'll post this one before my other one, probably. So y'all should have already seen my meal prep. We're giving weight loss another try. We're giving another try, like, because this something got to change. This weight got to come off of me, period. You have no other option, Adriana. Me talking to me, right? So this was cute. I'm keeping that. I'm sorry. The pink set was called Ruffle My Feather Skirt Set in Magenta. On to another set. Again, I wasn't like intentionally looking for another feathered option because I had already made up in my mind that I was just gonna go get it tailored, but things just happen to pop up. And mind you, I've checked Instagram, I've checked Amazon. There is somebody here locally, and I cannot remember. I want to call her Chelsea, but I don't know if that's her name. She has an online boutique here, but the shirt was $100 for one. And she did have a 2X, but that's $100. I don't know, for one thing versus multiple things for $100. So this is a set as well. I like how this skirt on this set is longer, and this one is the Feather Me Up skirt set. These names, I like it. So the magenta set is way shorter than the black one, and I was able to get the black one in a 2X, so that helped too. So the skirt fit phenomenal. Like, the skirt was perfect. The shirt I wish was a little tighter, but that's okay. We can figure that out. This one does not have the rubber, so it doesn't slide all over. It's literally just in the front, and it's not even on the bottom. So this one to me isn't going to be as secure, but we're still going to keep her. So this set was cute. Now, let me tell you my original birthday plan. I don't know why I still have this in the bag, because this is staying. So my original birthday outfit was the pink feathered top with the shiny pants. Isn't that cute? I know. Don't be stealing my birthday outfit before my birthday, okay? This one is called Stuntin On You Metallic Legging in Fuchsia. So I wanted to pair these two. Would have been all vibes, I promise you. But that's okay, because I actually like how, ooh, I actually like how this looks together better, which you'll see right now. So I'm gonna put the pink top up over this one with these, and then you'll see what I'm talking about, to where this actually looks amazing together. So I think that'll be my birthday outfit, either that one or the black. So y'all get like first dibs onto what I'm wearing for my birthday in Houston. I don't know what I'm wearing in Buffalo yet, so maybe I'll wear the black one here and then the pink one in Houston. I don't know. That is my Fashion Nova haul. I need to start shopping on Fashion Nova a little bit more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and shout out to all 7,000 of you who, and now it's 7,000 right now as of January 31st or February 1st, however you want to look at it, because it is 1:23 a.m. Who tuned into my over $300 Shein haul. Literally mind-blowing. Like, the more my videos get traction, the more surprised I am. I don't know why, but I just want to thank you, because like my dream is coming true. Like, it may be really small right now and I may only have like 337 followers on, or subscribers on, why can't I get it together, on YouTube? But it's the small beginnings that I'm not taking for granted. It's me genuinely growing my channel. I'm just genuinely growing my channel because at the end of the day, you want people in your community who's actually gonna watch you and who's actually going to tune in and who's waiting for you, because this is like Lady Adri TV, right? So guys, stay tuned for the Houston vlog because you know it's coming. I'm gonna take my camera as much as I can into whatever places, but it's lit. It's lit. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at _Lady Adri. That's on TikTok as well. And yeah, y'all, that's it. That was a quick haul, my quickest haul, because my summer one wasn't short, and neither was my work one. So this one should be like 15 minutes, I hope. So yes, guys, thank you so much for watching, Ladybugs, and I will see you next time. I had to say this really quick, and I don't have the light on, so it's kind of darker, but it was the the struggle of me trying to get into this orange top. You can clearly see, like, I need at least 8 more inches of fabric to get it to the fit I want. But I'm like really struggling trying to put this thing on. Like, this has to fit. Like, if I just pray about it, if we could pray about this Lord dropping or erasing 100 pounds off of me, then maybe we can talk. But the boobs are boobing, and I honestly, that's half of the battle. I can't get into the shirt because the boobs are boobing. So just struggling. I'm just struggling. But it's funny how I'm like really like pulling, thinking the fabric is gonna stretch any further. Like,